And you're back on Being Amrita, Chef and Beyond. Well, what's cooking today? A yummy porridge, super for breakfast, and with the deliciousness of mangoes. Yes, don't you crave mangoes when you're pregnant? And that is if you're pregnant in summer. Well, for the lucky ones, here's the recipe for you. Okay, so here in this pan, I have kept some milk to boil with 2 cardamom pods. And now I'm going to add some cooked quinoa to it, and I'll leave it to simmer slightly over here. Now in a separate pan, I'm going to add some jaggery. So we are going to allow this jaggery to melt completely. So now I'm going to add these yummy mangoes, and now we're going to cook this out till the excess moisture evaporates, because we don't want it to curdle up milk. Now I'm going to add my mango and jaggery mixture to the milk. And I will also take out the cardamom pods because they have finished doing their job. I wanted to infuse the milk with the flavor, which I have managed to do. अब इसे मैं अच्छी तरह से mix कर दूंगी. And now I have a bowl here in which I'm going to pour this. And now I'm going to top it with nice healthy pistachios. And wow, what a healthy breakfast for a hungry pregnant woman. Enjoy it, and if you like this recipe, do share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Being Amrita, Chef and Beyond.